Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Avalor, there lived a spirited and brave princess named Elena. She was known throughout the land for her courage and kindness. Elena had a special amulet, gifted to her by her grandmother, which held powerful magic. One day, a dark sorceress named Malvessa cast a spell over Avalor, causing a thick fog to envelop the kingdom and putting the people into a deep sleep. Elena, determined to save her home, set off on a quest to find the ancient enchanted scepter, the only artifact powerful enough to break Malvessa's spell. Along her journey, Elena encountered many challenges. She befriended a talking jaguar named Zuzu, who guided her through the enchanted forest. She solved riddles posed by mischievous forest spirits and bravely crossed a treacherous river guarded by a fierce dragon. With each trial, Elena's heart and resolve grew stronger. She discovered that the true power of the enchanted scepter could only be unlocked by someone who possessed three virtues: courage, kindness, and wisdom. Elena had displayed these virtues throughout her journey, proving herself worthy. When she finally reached the ancient temple where the scepter was hidden, she was confronted by Malvessa herself. A fierce battle ensued, but Elena's bravery and the strength of her newfound friends prevailed. She seized the enchanted scepter and, with a burst of light, shattered Malvessa's dark spell. The fog lifted, and the people of Avalor awoke, cheering their beloved princess. Elena returned to her palace, where she ruled with wisdom and compassion, always ready to defend her kingdom with the same courage that had saved it. And so, Princess Elena of Avalor became a legend, her tale of bravery and friendship inspiring generations to come. She lived happily ever after, knowing that the true power of a princess lies not in magic, but in the strength of her heart.